Alright, do you know that you can be paying more for electricity bill than you're actually using? Yes, that is if you have more inductive load in your house, you can be paying more for electricity bill than you're actually using. So what is inductive load? So we have resistive load, inductive load, and capacitive load. Resistive load. So if something is just making heat in your household, like your hot plate, your iron, stuff like that, they are basically resistive load. That is the voltage and the current they are in phase. And then if something is basically moving, like your fan, your washing machine, they are inductive load, whereby the current lag behind the voltage by 90 degrees. And then capacitive load, where the current lead ahead of the voltage by 90 degrees, and they are mostly used to balance out inductive load. That is, you can use capacitive load to balance out inductive load. If you're an industrial building that is full of AC motor, transformer, and stuff like that, you can have so much inductive load that it starts to affect the efficiency of the grid. That is, the grid will need to send you more power than you are actually using. That is, that more than the power that you need, the grid will need to send you that, because of the more inductive load you have in your industrial building. So that is where the power factor comes in. So the power factor is the measure of how much power is doing the real work, that is the active power, versus how much power it looks as if you are using. So we can use this formula to find the power factor. And then the ideal power factor is 1. That is, if your power factor is less than 1, you are basically harming the grid efficiency. So one of the ways to reduce the inductive load by so that it will not be harming the grid is to use capacitor, which will help to smooth out the inductive load. So we use the capacitor to smooth out the inductive load. Alright, wait before you freak out. So the power company does not charge the residential, like just basically a simple house, the power company does not charge you based on power factor, because all the heavy appliances in the house are basically resistive load or already have a built-in capacitor to smooth out the inductive load. So the power company does not charge you based on power factor. The people that the power company charge based on power factor are industrial building, that is a very large industrial building. That is where the power factor comes into place. So if you are a resident like you and me, we are not charged based on power factor. It is the big company, that is the industrial buildings that have like motor and stuff like that, that is being charged based on power factor. So you can rest assured. Just want to let you know.